Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to implement DataTables functionality with Angular.JS. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with what DataTables really is, it looks like this. Yes, it's a JavaScript plugin. You can check it out. This URL. Well, very nice plugin, very nice library. They made a very good job. And okay, let's see, we have 2,300 rows, and I want, let's see them all in one HTML table. Okay, the page is really big. Normally you don't want to display so many rows in your HTML because it's too heavy, a little heavy. It's still, the search still works. We can sort by any column. Yes, and what is this? Like this. Yes, we can find by name, and we can find by what will I say, by ID. Also can find, yes, ID. Yes, we found by ID, and by even by price we could be able to find it. I think price. Let's say 999. Just any column. Okay, we found something. Yes, okay. But it searches by substring, simple search. Okay, initialization goes like this way. Few lines of JavaScript, very easy. HTML markup, you only need to. It's better to render your t-head because the t-head might be complicated. You might have more than one tr in your t-head, and it calls span options, and okay, you better render at first. So let's look now at Angular.js implementation of the same functionality, and we also have a sortable filter table here, and I did some I added some more filters because we can now find some values which fit our arithmetic operations. We still can sort columns, say filter by one, sort by another. We can still find the same substring. Yes, it is found. I wonder if it's found. No. Oops. Something broke. No, it's okay, it's found. Yes, it works. The same data set, you can see it's same 2000 plus K of rows. Yes, it's heavy, it's a very large number for one HTML table, and you can see still it works. Yes, sortings, they work, and filters work. You can see here DataTables have coordination. We also need to add some CSS by default, and we also could have some coordination, but it's very easy work, a few lines of code. Yes, so let's look at the code. Here is our Angular application, my app and JAP. We have one controller, DataTables control, let's name it this way. I like the lightness of my HTML markup here, and a little downvote for this HTML markup, just because I haven't enough time to to make pure JavaScript function calls, because we really don't want these heavy spans here. And these heavy spans are they only responsible for this small triangle, sorting triangle. Well, shouldn't sure you shouldn't harden your make your markup, HTML markup, heavier so much with this unnecessary small thing. Yes. Well, this looks just brilliant. Just a small input, and you make whatever number you want to have here, whatever arithmetic operation, and you achieve the results by passing this function to the filter. You can see 3 columns filtered by this small, simple JavaScript function. Yes, very nice, very nice. Some mapping for some replacements for a better user experience. Okay, nothing complicated. So guys, I'm really excited about this framework, Angular.js, because it showed me its functionality. It showed me that it's relevant to today's needs of development, the speed of work, the easiness the easiness of development process. Let's say you lose one day your database plugin because it's I don't know, they have a price, or you are not allowed to use some external libraries, and you have to make your own. And you can easily, in Vue, I would say you can do this in 1 hour, maybe a few hours, but you could implement the whole sortable and filterable table. That's brilliant. Simply saying, that's brilliant. And of course, at the very end, you want to accomplish your own plugin, which you want it to be callable and initializable, simply like this, just few columns and your one data object, which you achieve from Ajax call normally, maybe a few buttons, few another elements, just not this heavy, but it took only a few hours, for maybe even less. It's the start of the job, yes. Because the DataTables guys, they made a really big job. They're just great. They also have their editor. You can edit actually the cells, and they sell it, of course, because they gave so much for free. They want to sell it. That's great. I like it. Yeah. So basically that's all for today. This is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching. Bye.